Today I asked my fans to make horror games of me, and I'm not gonna lie, some of these look insanely scary. Horror. Steak is acting weird, chapter 1. Okay. Oh! Yo! Okay. Wait, I can't even lie, this looks like it's a pretty cool game. Yes, I can't believe it. I'm finally going to the meet and greet. Alright. Well, I should go find the elevator so I can meet Steak. Wait, I forgot what the room number was. Is that Cruz? I'll go ask him what room Steak is in. What? Oh my god, they got Cruz in this game! Cruz? What are you doing down here? Something is wrong with Steak. Why did the music just change? What do you mean? Is he sick or something? Yeah, he's sick in the head! He tried tasing me with a taser? He tased my dad and took my sister Romy. That's weird. But could you tell me the room number? Room 67. But be careful. Oh. Yo. Yo, I'm low-key scared, chat. I'm low-key scared. I can't even lie, bro. I'm low-key so scared. Oh. I'm low-key scared. Alright, so Cruz said the room was 67. Is that a cookie trail? It might lead to his room. Yo, bro. Why is there a cookie trail on the ground? I don't... Okay. What? Cookies. The cookies lead this way. Why did I just hear a knock? The cookies lead directly to Steak's room. Room 67. I found the room. What is that? Yo, why is there... Bro, seriously? Chat, I literally cleaned my... Steak? Steak, is that you? Why'd he stop eating? Sorry, I was just a bit hungry. Of course. Bro! He added of course in the dialogue. Who's in the closet? Who's in the closet, bro? Sorry, that's probably the plumbing. I'll go take care of it. Stay here. Why is he so big?
No. Wait.
Oh. Where could he possibly be? Just don't flush the toilet. It's been there for weeks. I like the smell. Bro, what is this game? This conversation just made me hungry. I'll go get some food. Bro, don't do anything stupid. What do I do? Exit the building. Hello? It's Romy! Help me, please! Steak has trapped me in this room! And he ate my dad. It's locked. Romy, I can't save you. Go get help? I gotta go find help. Oh my god, it's Steak. Oh my god, it's Steak. Cruz! He's come to save us! What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be in Steak's apartment? I came out to find help. Your sister Romy is still alive. Stay behind me. I'll protect you. Yo, thank you, Cruz! We have to save her. Steak hasn't been acting like himself. It's my fault. I shouldn't have given him vegetables. Cruz? Romy, can you hear me? Yes. I think the key is in the bedroom. Please let me out. Oh, crap. Don't move. I'll be back. Stay safe. Oh, God. Oh, God. Cruz? No, Cruz, don't go in there! What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Get the key and save Romy. Where's the key? 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 What the? Yo, is that a rat in my... Okay. Where's the key at, bro? We need this key immediately. Where is the key? Oh, I see the key. It's right there on the couch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Romy, I got the key. I can save you. Oh my god, he's got cutscenes. Ah!